Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another video, and today's video is about sound issues. If you face a no sound issue or your speaker, if you are not listening any sound from your computer, then you are in the right place. On this video, we are going to see 10 solutions. I hope one of the solutions from those 10 solutions will help you to solve your sound problems. Then this video will have basic solution and advanced solution. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Now let's start from the basic solutions, which is solution number one is related with checking the volume. So the first thing that you should have to do is check the volume is on the right spot. So you may have volume buttons on your keyboard, so make sure the sound is on the right place. As you can see here, if you have this cross line or this cross of the volume, it will be muted and you may not listen to the sounds on your computer. So make sure the volume is on the right place and check the volume buttons on your keyboard, because on the keyboard there will be a volume buttons on the function keys as you are seeing on the screen. So check all those keys are turned on or making a blockage to the sound. And also you may have on some computers there will be a turn on and off button on the top side of the keyboard. So make sure on your keyboard, if there is a button, check on your laptop's edge, the edge sides or the front side or the button on your keyboard, because there will be characters related with sound symbols. So check all those volume things are turned on or the volume is on the right spot to be hearable. So the second solution will be, if you are using external devices, which is speakers or headsets, make sure they are connected effectively or successfully. So if you are using a cable speaker, make sure the cables are plugged in on the right spot or connected on the right place. So check the cabling of your speaker or external speakers on your computer. And if you're using even headsets or headset with Bluetooth, make sure the Bluetooth is connected effectively with your computer or successfully, which is the right Bluetooth device with your computer's sound option. So check whether the Bluetooth is connected successfully or with the right device. So these are the two basic solutions related with no sound problem. So after you check the sound volume and also the cabling, then the third one will be check the volume mixer. So to check the volume mixer, here select here the volume option, here right click on it and open volume mixer. So when you open the volume mixer, it will show you here apps on the volume mixer. So the first one here is on the system, which is the system volume. As you can see here, it's on 100%. Make sure the green light, the blue light is on the higher or 100 level, and make sure the system sound or related with applications. Here I'm using OBS and the OBS volume is 100%. So check the volume mixer and the sounds on each apps on in the system. By the way, these solutions will work for Windows 10, Windows 8 or any Windows product. So the third solution will be checking the volume mixer on your computer is on 100 level or a level which would be hearable for you. So check it's unmuted on your computer. So after you check the volume mixer, then the fourth solution will be change the default output. So you should have to change the default output. So here I'm going to select the volume, here select the volume, I mean the sound icon, sorry, the sound icon. I'm going to click the sound icon, and here I have an arrow. Even on Windows 10, click the sound icon, and you will find arrow, and then select the arrow. Then it will show you which default sound system is used by your computer. So make sure you selected the right speaker or the right sound output device. So I'm using this speaker high definition audio device, which is an external device. So check each of them by selecting them and opening a sound. So you select this one, then open a sound, and if you can listen to that, maybe the problem is related with the default output. So I'm going to select this one. So I'm using the external speaker. So change the default output on your computer. That will be visible here. So after you change the volume, the default output, then the fifth solution will be then running a troubleshooter. So to run the troubleshooter here, we are going to select the Windows icon and select here setting. So do the same thing for Windows 10, Windows 8, or any Windows product. Then go to here. You can type here on the find setting the troubleshooter, or you can go to here, you find troubleshoot. Select troubleshoot, then select other troubleshooters. So other troubleshooters here are available. So it's showing me playing audio. So checking the playing audio. So I'm going to run a troubleshooter for playing audio. So select here run. So it's detecting the problem, checking audio devices or sound systems which are connected with the computer. And as you can see here, the current default device is speaker high definition audio device. So it's already selected the default one. Then I'm going to select next, and it will check. So no, which is turn off sound effects and enhancements. No, I don't want that. So no, don't do audio enhancements. And as you can see here, troubleshooting cannot identify the problem. So if the troubleshooter identified your problem, check the sound of your computer. If not, then we are going to check solution number 6. So solution number 6 will be here, search, click on the search icon and type here control panel. I think it's visible here. Type control panel, then open the control panel. So after you open the control panel, here you find different settings on the control panel. So select here the category to make it more large icons. So on the large icons here, we found search for sound. As you can see here, search for sound and open it. Then after the sound opens, here we find 2 speakers because I already have an external speaker. So if you have external speaker, make sure you selected the default one. As I have said on the solution number 4, change the default output that you want to use. If you are using external, then external speaker. If you are using your headset, use your headset or other options. So here I'm using this speaker. So right click on it and select disable. And as you can see, it's changing the speaker, another speaker default, but I'm going to select again this one and I'm going to enable it back. So enable it back and then right click on it on this speaker on the default one and go to right click on it and go to here properties. So after you open the properties, then select here level. So after you select here, make sure the sound is not having this red block. So make sure this thing is not there. So and check your speaker is on 100 level. So after you checked all these things, then go to here enhancement. And on the enhancement, then disable all enhancements. Select disable all enhancements and select apply and select OK and select here OK and check the sound on your computer is solved or not. Then if solution number 6 is not working, then we are proceeding to solution number 7, which is updating the sound drivers. So to update the sound drivers, here we select the search icon and type here device manager. So here we find the device manager on our option. So open the device manager, then go to here audio input and outputs, which is the audio input and output section will help you to solve all those problems. So here I'm going to select speaker number one, check for each of them. So select speaker number one, this one, and select update driver. Update driver, then search automatically for driver, and it will search for driver, and the best driver for your device are already installed. So I'm going to close it, and I'm going to try for the second one and select here update driver and search automatically for driver, and this the best driver for your device are already installed. So I'm going to close this one. You may find different options, so just update all those input and output devices so it will solve the problem. So after you update it, or after all the update process completed, check your computer's sound system is working or not. So if solution number 7 if is not working after updating the drivers, then the solution number 8 will be uninstall and reinstall audio drivers. Again, we are going to open here the device manager. Again, we are going to open device manager, then here again audio input and output, select the audio input and output option on your computer, then select the speaker and right click and select uninstall device, this uninstall device. So it will ask you warning, you are about to uninstall the device from your system, then select yes, of course I want to uninstall it. So it's uninstalling, then it's removed from the list. The same goes for the second one. Go for it, select it, right click on it and select uninstall device, then select here uninstall. Okay, then the sound input and output drivers are already removed, so it's already uninstalled. Then the next step will be clicking here scan for hardware changes. Here on the top left corner you'll find here a scan for hardware changes, so click this one, and as you can see the best drivers for your computer will be installed back. And if it's not working, this icon is not working or getting back your drivers, you can restart your computer and you will get back all your audio drivers. Then close the device manager and check the sound on your computer if it's working correctly or not. Then if the solution is not working, we are going to proceed number 9, which is here click on the search and type here services, type services here, and service will be opened, and select right click on it and run as administrator. So run as administrator and find for Windows Audio. Click W on your keyboard and find for Windows Audio, and here I found Windows Audio. So right click on Windows Audio and select restart. So it will restart the Windows Audio, and again go to Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Here Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So again click on it, right click on it and select here restart, and select do you want to restart the service, select yes, and it's restarting the Windows Audio Endpoints. Then close the bar and check the audio is working or not, or do we have the sound on our computer or not. If the sound is not there, then the final solution for this video will be a Windows update. If all the solutions are not working, here select the Windows updates on your computer and check for updates. So updates sometimes may cause a problem on your computer, so check for updates, and after the update completed, restart your computer and try to check your sound problem is solved or not. I hope all these 10 solutions helped you to solve the problem related with sound. And if you are new here, please subscribe Chachi and give me like and comments on the comment section. For today, Chachi out.